I mind it well, and I see it yet in a halo of sunset glory, when I climbed knee-deep in gorse and fern to keep my tryst with Rory. Like a singing flame, the little red lark, all the joy of his heart above me. Oh, my grief, for the heathery hills and the lad that used to love me. The blue mist steadily drifted down till the kine was lost in shadow. It was time for Rory to come this way by Boreen and a dewy meadow. The linnet song that was sweeter far than thrush or lark rose near me. Oh, I'm thinking long on the heathery hills and the lad that used to cheer me. I miss my mother the livelong day. Sure, I was my mother's treasure. I sigh in her dreams for my father's fields, and the city holds no pleasure. I would part its ease and its golden store, though wise folk may deride me, for a summer eve on the heathery hills, and the lad o' my heart beside me. Carmichael.